The red coats here, the red coats are here. I see your musket.
Mars this time.
You are. Why are you aiming it at me?
I'm sorry.
So today is January 28th. And it is a Saturday.
So since the last time that we vlogged, we tried to go to the snow. It snowed at our house, and we forgot to do one of the things on the 30 things that we're supposed to do. So,
well, wait. And before that time, that was our second time trying to go to the snow. We'd already tried once before.
Yeah.
So this is our...
Today just so happened to have snow at the location, so we're going to count that as going to the snow because we're cheating on our list.
Unless there's still snow next week.
Yeah, in which case we'll make a specific vlog for that. But it looked kind of like this when we tried to go to the snow last time. It's a rare thing at the rain. We're going to the snow. See, the problem is that we have to be somewhere at 5 and it's 2:42 right now. So I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Looks like today's not really gonna work out.
And then it started to hail, which never happens in California, and it snowed at our house.
This doesn't happen. That's a snowball. Like a typical Californian. I've never seen streets look like this.
And now we're here. So today we went to, what is this place called? Apple...
Riley's farm in
Riley's
Yucaipa.
Off of Oak Glen. There's snow here today, which is exciting, but it's an apple picking place. And it was on our list of things to do. So we're here today. And we're here with our family.
So just so we can clarify, this isn't like 30 things in 30 weeks, like one thing per week. It's getting 30 things done in 30 weeks because who knows, towards the end, I'll be like, what? And not probably be able to do anything. For now, look at this view. So this is our view right now. I don't know if you can kind of see all the snow up there. It is seriously gorgeous. We're gonna throw some tomahawks, maybe do some archery. Right now apples are out of season, so no apple picking. Anyways, that's it. I was trying to be cool, like the YouTubers. I don't think I did it right.
This is Joe, that's Cody. Elliot, he's my nephew, that's Felicia.
Food baby plus my actual baby. Stop throwing feeling a lot better. I haven't had any more morning sickness or anything like that. I mean, migraines, but that's just because of the rain. I kind of began to feel like I wasn't pregnant anymore. I would say to Sean, I don't think the baby's there. And he kind of got concerned. Like, what do you mean? Like, what happened? I'd be like, I just think like, I just feel like the baby just packed its bags and just like decided to leave. I had my prenatal appointment last Tuesday, and they said that's very normal because now that the morning sickness has subsided, but you're not really showing, you're not really like feeling anything. I mean, other than the fact that your pants don't really fit. I don't know, I'm just nervous now. And so they said like, don't worry, like we'll listen to the heartbeat with a Doppler at the end of your appointment. So, you know, I went through my regular prenatal appointment.
Pause.
Stop.
Watch this video.
Crazy.
No.
Did you hear the part?
Wait, it's on my Instagram.
Yeah, there's one part in the video where somebody
No,
makes
wait.
an interesting noise, and it's really funny, and I've started making fun of Kristen for it.
So no, I tell him, I was like, oh, it's like I posted, because I was like, no one will know who said what. So I'm not the one who says, hi, baby. Like,
She's the one who
I
goes,
wish I was.
Oh. Wait,
not
watch
do
it
that.
again. Well, watch it again.
Oh.
That noise came out of my wife, and I told her it sounded like she plugged her nose and said wow, and went wow. And when you watch it on a loop on our Instagram,
that's what I did.
I was laying in bed and Kristen just kept watching it because she was listening to the baby's heartbeat, and I just keep hearing the from the baby's heartbeat, and then wow, the wow.
Stop! You're embarrassing me. Anyway.
Here it is again.
Oh.
Stop! You're so mean.
And again.
Oh.
Needless to say, my wife is thrilled to hear the baby's heartbeat that she didn't think was there.
But like I said, hopefully, like most of my Instagram followers will just think that I'm the one who said hi, baby. Like
Now
all
everybody
cute.
knows.
Now anyone who watches our vlogs will know. It had been a long day. I had been there for
No
hours.
excuses.
I had to do like a full like physical. Oh, it was a long appointment. That was at the
How
very
does
end.
that justify?
It was at the very end, and I was leaning back. I don't need to justify. Okay, I don't even. Shh. It's
Ugh.
cold. I'm cold.
I feel like
Don't
I feel like for most people, they're really good at vlogging. We're not good at vlogging. So
We don't have the vlogging personality.
Yeah.
It takes more work for us.
we have to like sit and think about what we're gonna talk about before we say it.
I'm gonna
And then
slip. Oh my
it
gosh.
usually takes us about 10 minutes to actually figure out anything to say. We're bad at this.
If you guys have anything you want to know, that'd be cool. So just comment below. I'm joking. Oh my gosh.